Alright, welcome again to Mike Sword Academy. So we have question relating to expansivity. So we are going to be looking at linear expansivity questions. We have two questions here on linear expansivity. So the first question is given that as a metal has a length of 50 meters at 20 degrees Celsius, so the length is 50 meters at 20 degrees Celsius. So the temperature there is 20 degrees Celsius. Its length increased to 70 meters. So the new length is 70 meters as the temperature gets to 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature corresponding to that is 30 degrees Celsius. Then what is the linear expansivity of the word material? So we want to get the linear expansivity of the material. So if we substitute, we need to remember the formula to get the linear expansivity of the material. It's given as alpha. I'll be using this to show linear expansivity of a material, which will be having L2 minus L1 all over L1 theta 2 minus theta 1. So if we substitute in the question, you have our L2, so which implies that L2 is 70 minus L1 is what? Is 50. Then divide by L1 is 50. Then we have theta 2, which is given as 30 degrees. So we have minus theta 1, which is 20 degree. Here we are not doing any conversion. The temperature still remains in degree Celsius. So this equals to, we'll be having 70 minus 50 is 20. Then we have 50. Then we have 30 minus 20 is 10. So if you should point this in your calculator, this will be 0.04 per degree Celsius, or you can use per degree Kelvin. You are still what's correct. Now let's solve the next question. So we have been able to, what we have gotten here is the linear expansivity. So let's see what the next question says. It says find the new length. So we are looking for the new length, which is L2. So if of a lead material of length, so the length of the material is 45 centimeter, and which has been heated until the temperature raised to, so the change in temperature is 60 degrees Celsius. And we have the linear expansivity given as 0.00029 per degree Celsius. So if we use our formula, where we have that linear expansivity is equal to L2 minus L1 all over L1 change in what? In theta. We can make L2 the subject formula. We cross multiply. So this we multiply, you'll be having alpha L1 change in theta equal to L2 minus L1. So our L1 can move over to this place. So we'll be having L2 will be L1. If it crosses here, it becomes plus. Then plus alpha L1 change in theta. So this is what we just need to solve this. We have the values already, is to substitute. So if we substitute, we'll be having L1 as 45 plus, the linear expansivity is 0.0000, then we have 29, then L1 is 45, and the temperature change is what? Is 60 degrees. So if you should multiply and solve in your calculator, this will give us about 45.078 centimeter. So this becomes the new length. So this is how we solve questions on linear expansivity. So if you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe, because we'll be posting more videos on physics, chemistry, and maths. Thank you.